Welcome back to Screen Share Wise. We're going to
The National Weather Service and State College has issued a tornado warning for Southwest York County, Northwest Cumberland County, Extreme Dauphin County, Extreme Lancaster County, Northwest Adams County, South Central Baltimore County, Central Hartford County, Carroll County, until 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m., National Weather Service radar detected a severe squall line capable of producing tornadoes. This storm containing a possible tornado was near Baltimore County, moving east at 22 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows within a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.